and how to see your NFT under the tools section. So now we're going to go to the menu, go to tools, and go to my NFTs, and you should see just sign the off-chain transaction, confirm, and as you scroll, you'll see your NFTs. All right, so we're going to create 2 auctions, the one for the Neon Dreams art and the one for the larger than life art. All right, so we're going to create 2 art NFTs on the art NFT marketplace. All right, 2 art NFT auctions. All right, so the first one is the Neon Dreams, and what you need to create your NFT, let's just go to the create auction page. All right, so if we go on marketplaces, we have art NFTs, we have create, and then you can see that you need to upload a picture of the art, and then you need the name of the asset, the title of the art, then some info about this asset, and then you need a currency that you're going to select from. You can just select from about 9 currencies here, and you need the NFT asset ID, you need the starting price, you need the quantity of product, you need the duration in minutes. All right, you can do up to 365 days for your auction duration. All right, so I'm going to create that of the Neon Dreams. All right, so let me just go ahead and copy it because we already have Neon Dreams on the auction page. All right, so let's just go to marketplaces, art NFTs, explore. I'm going to see Neon Dreams already created. So we're just creating extra Neon Dreams. All right, so you can see that some art NFTs are sold in Naira and other ones are sold in BUSD. All right, so let's just scroll past and hopefully we find the Neon Dreams. So it might take a while for the picture to show up, but it's going to show. All right, so let's just go to bid now. So we have Neon Dream 001 created already. So let's go to bid now. I just want to copy the description. So I'm just going to copy this. All right, yeah, this is what I wanted. So we have the neon Dreams here. You can see we have several pictures of Neon Dreams. All right, so now I've gotten what I wanted, and I'm just going to go to my notepad, create a new notepad, and just paste the description. All right, so let's pick up what we want. Let's go back to under tools, my NFTs, and we're going to go next, Neon Dreams. So I want to copy, I know this Neon Dream 002. All right, we'll just copy that and paste it here. All right, and then go back, copy the ID, just tap on the copy icon, that's NFT asset ID, and then paste it here. All right, and then what else again? So the others are going to pop up, All right, so now we have what we need. I have the picture, I have the asset name, I have the ID, and I have the asset description. All right, so let's go ahead and create Neon Dreams. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy the NFT asset ID, and we're going to go to menu again, marketplaces, add NFTs, create. I'm going to upload the picture. So I have an album for the arts, and here I have 3 pictures of Neon Dreams. So on art NFT, you can add up to 12 images. All right, so we have the 3 of them here, and I know it's Neon Dreams 002. All right, now about this asset, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, we have the asset ID already copied, right? Let's just go ahead and paste that NFT asset ID. All right, let's go ahead and select the currencies in Naira or BUSD actually. Neon Dreams, was it in Naira or BUSD? Yeah, I think BUSD. All right, and then starting price was about $44.99, I think. Duration, going to do it for a year. But remember, we have the expedite function, so we can actually shut down the auction when somebody bids on it for in under 1 minute. So even though we have a 1 year duration auction, we can shut it down to close in a minute when we have a bidder and we are okay with the price. All right. Now the last thing to copy is about this asset. I'm just going to copy that. And there we're going to paste it here. Okay, so we have everything filled up, and then we have our tokens already. We have our KMT, we have waves already. All right, we have waves tokens, and you can see your waves tokens from under my wallet section. All right, click on create. And click on confirm. Just confirm the name of the asset of the NFT. See Neon Dream 002, just to make sure that you have the right thing there. And click on confirm, and give it a few seconds. It's going to give you the notification in a moment. All right, so auction was successfully started. Okay, now very important. When you click on OK, everything is going to disappear. But you're going to have the picture, you're going to have the BUSD showing, the currency showing. All right. Now this doesn't mean that you're going to create another NFT just by filling the gaps, filling the form again. Make sure you refresh this page, because if you do this by just adding a new NFT, erasing the images, like deleting the images and putting in new stuff there, it's not going to show the currency. It's going to be awkward, all right? It's not going to work well. So just go back to menu, go on anywhere else, file certification anywhere else, and then go back to your marketplace, and then go back to create. Now everything is fresh. So this is what you want. This is what you want. You want everything to be fresh. The currency must not be showing. You must actually have to select the currency all over again. Both in mobile and both in desktop version, you must always make sure you refresh by going back to somewhere else and then coming back to marketplaces to create, and then you can create the next one. So we're going to create the next one, which is let's go back to tools, my NFTs. Next, larger than, you can see Neon Dreams is no longer showing here anymore, right? Because now it's now on auction. So larger than life, the same thing we did. So I know it's larger than life. I already know the art name, so I don't need to write that down. I'm going to anyway write down the asset ID. So go back to your page. You can just erase all this. All right. This is the asset ID, and then pretty much that's what I need. Yeah. So I already have the description. Oh, why did I erase that? All right, so basically I have to go back to my auction page and get that description, because it is actually the same thing for the art we're creating. All right, so you can create your own. You can write your own description of your art. Under that description page, you only have up to 200 characters, so you have to make sure that it's showing well. All right, so I'm just going to copy this all over again. All right, because this is different. I'm going to go to any of these other ones are actually the same description. Copy. All right, I'm going to paste it here. All right, so we have larger than life. We have the asset ID. We're going to create larger than life NFT now. Auction. All right. Now you notice that when you go on the explore page, the numbers are not. They're kind of showing large numbers. So don't worry about that. When you click on bid now, the right number is going to show. All right. This is 2,000 hash grid naira. So 20,000 hash grid naira for this art NFT. Cyber Fantasy is a very, very interesting art NFT. You get to know about that on our Telegram group. So even though you see the first time you go on your account, or the first time for the day or the first session, it's going to show well, all right, the numbers. But afterwards, it's going to be like this. So we're going to fix that later on. But just know that when you click on bid now, it shows the right format of the price. All right. So let's go ahead and go back to creating larger than life. So we're going to upload the art image, and then we have it over here, and we have the asset ID. Just let me paste that already, and select the currency, BUSD again. Price is 44.99, and it's larger than life. All right. Now I don't know if this was 002, but you know what? We'll find out what tag was that. All right. Now, copy this description. In this description, you only have up to 200 characters. So make sure you have just 200 characters here. All right. So it says you can own this as non-exclusive art NFT, comes in the physical frame, and free delivery throughout Nigeria. Orders we ship internationally, but you pay for shipping. And the license is for private use only. That is not for commercial use. This art is for private use only. We talked about that in the previous video, how to define the limits of the art usage. All right. Select 365 days, doesn't matter. We can always end the auction in a minute when we have a bidder. All right, we have everything done. The image is there. The asset title is there. This asset description is there. The currency is there. The NFT asset ID is there. The price is there. Quantity is 1, always 1 for art NFTs and other kind of NFTs. Apart from Hash Deals Marketplace, which is our e-commerce section, we can have more than 1 quantity. All right. And then you have the duration in minutes done. We're ready to create. Click on create. Confirm. Okay, there's something we didn't put there. All right, anyway, it doesn't really matter. Okay. All right, so you can see if we're going to create a new art NFT, we will just go back to tools, go anywhere else, can be DeFi anywhere else, DeFi, loans, come back to marketplaces, and create. So that's how you do it, both in mobile and desktop version. Always make sure the page is started over again from scratch, so that NFT is well done. So let's see what we created. We go to marketplaces, add NFTs, explore. I'm going to see if they're already ready. So you can see Neo Dreams is here, and Larger Than Life is going to come up very, very shortly. So you can see when you click on bid now, you have everything showing right. All right. Now quantity of products is going to be 1. Well, our dev is going to fix that issue. So it's always 1. And this is just a little issue. So Dev is going to fix that. But every other thing is perfect. We have the price showing right. We have the number of days already counting down. And of course, when we have a bidder, the coin winner is going to show on it here. And you can always expedite. If you are the seller, you can expedite the auction. All right. So let's say you created an art NFT or any auction whatsoever, and you intend to just have, if somebody bid on the price that you wanted, then and you're good to go. Then once you have a bidder and they contact you or you see it, just go ahead and click on expedite, sign the expedite transaction, and you're good to go. And then the auction ends in 1 minute, and then the buyer can withdraw the auction and can get paid. All right. So even though we have 365 days, we can actually have the auction closed immediately somebody bids on it. All right. Okay, so Larger Than Life is about to pop up. It's going to pop up. Don't worry about that. So please check out all our art NFTs. We have several ongoing right now. And we have the 50 over 50 cyber fantasy. A lot of benefits with cyber fantasy. Ask us about it on our Telegram group, and we'll tell you more about that. All right. So this is Larger Than Life number 1, and this should have been Larger Than Life number 3. But it doesn't matter. When you have it on your, yes, up right now. When you have it on your NFT, when you bid and you win the NFT, it's going to show what it is in the description. All right. So please check out all our marketplace. So this is how you create your art NFT auction. Thank you for watching.